I used to think that setting up useful AI automation had to involve a week of Python scripts, API key errors, and confusing developer documentation, even with powerful Claude Code or ChatGPT. It turns out this is completely wrong. Today, we're going from absolutely zero to your first active session in under 10 minutes. Welcome to Creao Academy, our new weekly series designed for absolutely everyone. Whether you are an absolute beginner or an advanced developer, we are breaking down complex tech terms into plain everyday language. My goal for this series is simple. You do not need to memorize every feature. Just use these videos either to learn a new trick or get a highly specific question answered. Along the way, we are uncovering some incredibly specific high-value insights. You will learn exactly how to design closed-loop architectures so your agents run from their past executions, how to structure your files to completely eliminate context window congestions, and how to programmatically schedule agent runs without leaving your chat window. We will later dive into some deeply technical developer APIs, but do not worry. This series is built so you can jump in and out exactly when you need to and walk away with a real working system every single time. More than that, I hope this series gives you that absolute sense of relief when you finally offload your most repetitive, exhausting tasks and watch your custom agents handle them in the background. I want you to walk away with your time back and the confidence to build whatever system your business actually needs. Let us start with the honest problem. Standard AI tools are like temporary contractors. They can do a decent job once, but next time you have to remember exactly how you prompted to get the same result. And that is incredibly annoying. And there's a technical term, we call this a lack of continuous feedback loop or a lack of execution loop closure. When an agent runs, outputs some text and immediately shuts down. It cannot learn from what it just did. It cannot see if the email is drafted actually got opened or if the code it wrote actually ran without errors. To fix this, Creao is built as an AI agent, which is just a smart connected loop where agents handle the work, check their own results, and get better over time. They connect directly to your actual tools, monitor performance, and self-correct on the fly. Now, if you have used other developer-focused AI tools, you might expect a long, tedious configuration process because you can run your first prompt. You might think you need to initialize environments, build agent files, or set up workspaces. In Creao, getting started requires no setup. There are no workspace configuration or onboarding flows required. You simply sign in and start chatting immediately on our browser app, isolated Linux sandbox in the background for every thread, which is a private digital workshop where your code runs safely. But as a user, all of that infrastructure is completely invisible. It is 100% zero friction, meaning you can focus entirely on your workflow. And to explain this completely in plain language, imagine walking into a professional kitchen where all the cutting boards, pots and pans, and clean ingredients are already laid out for you. You do not have to buy special tools, wash dishes, and prep the workspace. You just turn on the stove and start cooking. Creao handles all the messy kitchen cleanup and technical preparation behind the scenes, so you only have to focus on your recipe. So let us launch your first session right now. Open your browser, navigate to Creao.ai, and sign up for a free account if you haven't done so. Once you log in, you will land directly on the main chat screen. You do not need to click around or create folders. You are already sitting in your central chat canvas, which is your primary command center. Look at the left sidebar menu to see where your files, connectors, and optional settings live. Now, let us click into the main chat input bar and type a simple practical prompt like, "Help me outline my first automation agent," and press enter. The AI agent immediately goes to work. And look at the screen. You are not just getting a simple text answer. Your AI agent is actually thinking, planning, and running calculations in its own secure, isolated workspace in real time. It is like having an invisible assistant writing and testing ideas for you on the private whiteboard behind the scenes. Because this is a true AI agent, it has the ability to write and run actual code to solve your problems. It can browse the web for live data, generate files, and build assets in real time, all within this single seamless conversation. This is the difference between having a chatbot and having an active business partner. To summarize our session, we logged in, skipped all the configuration, started the chat session instantly at Creao.ai, and ran our first execution. No workspaces, no complexity, just pure results. That is how you initialize your very first session in under 10 minutes. You could probably do it in under 2. But if you want to review the official steps, check out the Quickstart guide at docs.creo.ai. In our next episode, next Friday, we're mastering the chat interface, walking through how to select the perfect AI models for your tasks and steering interactive artifacts. Click the link in the description to open your free account and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next episode. See you next week.